Hello everyone. So today we're going to discuss conversion of units of measurement. So this topic can be found in your module 2. So the lesson 1 for this topic is all about converting measurements from one unit to another in both metric and English systems. So first let's talk about rules of conversion. So take note, from larger unit to smaller unit, you have to move the decimal point of the given number to be converted k places to the right, where the value of your k is the number of arrows from the larger unit to the smaller unit in the diagram. For example, if you have the larger unit, which is the kilometer, and you have to convert it to meter. So kilometer is your larger unit and meter is your smaller unit. So always remember, from larger to smaller, you have to move going to the right. So kilometer, so 1, 2, 3. Therefore, you have to move 3 places from the larger unit going to the smaller unit. So this larger unit to smaller unit always applies kapag gikan siya sa dako, paingon siya sa gamay. So move ka pa right para makuha nimo ang value sa imong smaller unit. Next is from smaller unit to larger unit. So we have to move the decimal point of the given number to be converted k places to the left, where the value of your k is the number of arrows from the smaller unit to the larger unit in the diagram. So same thing, kapag imuhang value is gamay or the smaller unit and you have to convert it to larger unit, so you have to move left, going to the left. So if you have centimeter, which is your smaller unit, centimeter, which is your smaller unit, and you have to convert it going to decimeter, which is dm. So centimeter is smaller than decimeter, therefore you have to move going to left. So centimeter, you have to move once in order for you to convert it to decimeter. So this also always apply in the weight and the capacity. Kapag gamay gani, and you have to convert it the larger unit, so move left. And kapag dako and you have to convert it to smaller unit, you have to move right. Okay? So let's have an example. So convert 2,200 meters to kilometers. So from this example, so meter is smaller and kilometer is larger unit than the meter. So kapag smaller to larger unit, what we need to do is move left. So we have here, so this is our meter, and we have to move left going to kilometer. So from meter, so we have to move 1, 2, 3. So 3 places. So going back to the given, we have 2,200. So gikan sa atong decimal point, which is this part, so we have to move 1, 2, 3. Therefore, convert 2,200 meter to kilometers is equal to 2.2 kilometers. Why? Because from our decimal point, we move 3 places per left in order for us to get the conversion to from meter to kilometer. So, pila ang pag-move from meter to kilometer? We move 3 places going to the left. Okay, now, nasabdan. So, pag meter is gamay man, kilometer is dako. So, smaller to larger unit, we have to move left. So, example, another example is how many feet is 18 yards equal to? So in our previous topic, we talked about the conversion. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, so on and so forth. So now, how many feet is 18 yards equal to? So if you can still remember, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So mao na iyahang conversion gyud kapag 1 yard equal gina siya og 3 feet. So now, how many feet is 18 yards equal to? So how are we going to solve that? 18 yards is equal to how many feet? So answer is 54 feet. So why? Solution. So 18 yards, pila gani ang 1 yard? So equal to 3 feet. So therefore, para feet na lang atong mabilin. So 3 feet, which is the equivalent to 1 yard over 1 yard. So we have to cancel the yards para feet na lang ang mabilin. And now we have to multiply 18 is equal to 3 feet, or we have to multiply 18 times 3 feet is equal to 54 feet. So, yung ana siya pag-solve. So, let's remember the conversion para easy na lang sa ato pag-solve if we encounter this kind of problem. So, steps in conversion. So, first, we have to identify the unit you are starting with. Second, identify the unit you want to end with. So if you're going to convert a measurement, so let's identify if asa ka magsugod o asa ka mag end. So if smaller to larger unit, move left. If larger to smaller unit, move right. Next is find the conversion factors that will change the starting unit to the ending unit. So, let's remember the basic conversion for us to dali na lang nato ma-solve ang conversion. So, next is set up the mathematical expansion so that all units except the unit you want to end will cancel out. So, parehas itong ganyan kay feet man ang given, or feet man ang ipangita. So, pang-cancel na to ang yard para feet na lang ang mabilin. So, let's have an example. So, convert each to the indicated unit. So, now, we have here 15 hectometer to decimeter. So, from this example, you can identify that hectometer is larger than decimeter. So, kapag larger unit, yani we have to move going to the right. So, hectometer, so we have to move 1, 2, 3 places. So, move 3 steps to the right to obtain decimeter. So, we have here 15 hectometers. So, this is the decimal point, and we move going to the right. So, we move 3 steps. That's why 15,000 decimeter. Just add 0 in order to get the conversion. So, or we have here 15 hectometer times 1,000 decimeter over 1 hectometer. Ngano 1,000 decimeter? Because the place's value is 1,000, therefore 1 hectometer is equal to 1,000 decimeter. So to cancel the hectometers, we have to divide the 1,000 decimeter to 1 hectometer. So now, hectometer is cancelled. Now, 15 times 1,000 decimeter is equal to 15 times 1,000 decimeter over 1, or 15,000 decimeter. So, 15 hectometer is equal to 15,000 decimeter. So, if naglibog mo aning pag times, just use this step. Na if larger gani ang value, you have to move going to the right to the smaller unit. Okay? Next is convert 6,500 liter to kiloliter. So we have to start at liters going to kiloliters. So from this example, liters is smaller than sa kiloliters. So 6,500 liters is gamay siya. Therefore, we move 3 steps going to the left. So if this is the liters, so let's move 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, going to kiloliters. So if we have here 6,500, so from the decimal point, we move 3 steps going to the left. 1, 2, 3. So now we obtain 6.5 kiloliters, or same canceling aning liters or using this solution. So 6,500 liters times 1 kiloliters over 1,000 liters. So we have to cancel. So always remember that 1 kiloliters is equal to 1,000 liters. So now we have to cancel, and ang bili na lang is 6,500 times 1 kiloliter over 1,000. So is equal 6,500 times 1 kiloliter over 1,000. Therefore, the answer is 6.5 kiloliters. So the answer, so 6,500 liters is equal to 6.5 kiloliters. Okay, inganaan lang siya. So first, we need to identify if the given is smaller to larger or larger to smaller. So this chart below are customary units of length, mass, volume, capacity. So I want you to familiarize or memorize this conversion para dali na lang sa inyo mag-convert. So, nasabtan. Okay, now let us practice. So I want you to convert each the following and comment your answers below. So I want you to comment your answers, and please do answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just a review because you already answered module 1 and 2, and I hope you will participate and comment your answer below. So that's all for this topic, which is conversion of units of measurements. Thank you, and may God bless you.